everyone. My name is Zuleika Salsabila, student ID 244111101. Today I will present a topic titled Principle of Risk Management, a comprehensive quiz. A practical principle-driven framework to identify, evaluate, and manage risks that affect value creation and continuity. This deck explains 7 core principles, why they matter, and how to apply them across organizations of any size. What is risk management? Defining core concepts. Risk management is the coordinate activities to direct and control an organization with regard to risks, its balance, opportunity, and threat by identifying events that could affect objectives, assessing their likelihood and impact, planning proportional responses, and monitoring outcomes. Effective risk management protects value, enables better decision, and supports strategic goals. Objectives ensures rights activities to strategic goals, so responses are relevant and measurable. Identification, systematic discovery of internal and external events that could affect outcomes. Assessment use qualitative and quantitative methods to prioritize risks by likelihood and impact. Participle 1. Value creation and protection. Risk management should support both the protections of existing value and the creation of new value. It must be aligned with strategy so that rights activities enable opportunity seeking while safeguarding critical asset reputation and continuity. Balance risks and reward. Decisions should weigh upside potential against downside exposure, not simply avoid risks. Protect critical asset. Identify what matters: people, data, brand, and apply controls proportional to impact. Principle 2. Integrate decision making. Risk management must be part of organizational governance and decision making, not an isolated activity. Embed risk consideration into planning, budgeting, project approval, and performance reviews so leaders make informed trade-offs. Embed in governance, board and executive oversights, integrate risk appetite and monitor major exposure. Line management ownership. Operational managers own and act on risk streams, enable, not replace ownership. Decision support. Provide timely, relevant risk information to investment and operational choices. Principle 3. Structure and comprehensive approach. A consistent, systematic approach ensures all significant risks are considered and assessed using standard criteria. Coverage should span strategies, operational, financial, compliance and reputational risks using repeatable process for identification, analysis, response, and monitoring. Identify, assess, respond, and monitor using a repeatable cycle. Identify, assess, respond, monitor, creates clarity, support auditability, and enables continuous improvement. Principle 4. Customizable and flexible implementation. A risk framework must be scalable and tailored. A startup or multinational will implement common principle differently. Customize methods, tools, and intensity of controls to fit size, complexity, regulatory context, and risk appetite. Right size controls use lightweight process where agility is essential. Strengthen controls where exposure is high. Contextual design consider regulatory environment, cultural factors, and technical maturity when implementing solution. Principle 5. Inclusiveness and stakeholder engagement. Effective risk management requires input from all relevant stakeholders, engage frontline staff, customer, supplier, regulation, and the board of surface different perspectives. Validate assumption and will share ownership of response. Broaden perspectives. Inclusion reduces blind spot and improves the accuracy of risk identification and assessment. Transparent communication, clear reporting, and dialogue build trust and enable coordinate response across to the organization. Principle 6. Dynamic and responsive to change. Risks evolve, economy shifts, technology change, and new regulation require engine recalibration, risk management. So, the agile monitor, educators, update assessment frequently, and have contingency plans that can be active quickly. Dynamic risk cycle, continuous monitoring and learning log, adaptive response, and connect to rapid assessment. Continuous monitoring and fast feedback loops enable organization to respond before small issues escalate into crisis. Principle 7. Base available information for assessment. Decisions should be based on the best available data, historical loss data, market intelligence, experts' judgment, and scenario analysis. Acknowledge uncertainty, use ranks or probabilities where appropriate, and document assumption to enable review and refinement. Data and analysis. Leverage quantitative models where useful but combined with qualitative insight to capture nuance. Scenario thinking. Use stress test and scenario planning to explore risks in impact under different futures. Documented assumption records search confidence levels and open questions to improve transparency and learning. Okay, that's all presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.